Bonjour and namaste from the Momo sisters. We're in Paris where they do the best baguettes, but we are not here for this, we are here for momos. That fresh crunch was brought to you by Alexis, the 4th best baguette in Paris 2016. Number 1, 2 and 3 had crazy lines, so the number 4 had to do. When you're in Paris for the first time, you have to see this and this and this too. You have to eat this. This and this is optional. But I love the croque monsieur and this too. When you're craving Nepali and even Newari, only one place will do. My expectations are quite high, so we'll see. This is Kathmandu in Paris, literally. You're transported by the ambience. Brass cutlery and plates. Water served in brass water jar called encores. Kathmandu in Paris is brought to you by this Nepali husband and wife duo. Did I tell you that they do Newari food? Newari food comes from the historical indigenous inhabitants of the Kathmandu Valley area in Nepal, the Newars. Newari food has amazing flavors, usually cooked with various spices, chilies and mustard oil. We started off with chotamari, which is a kind of rice crepe / pizza, and then same bhaji, which is a snack set that consists of chura, which is flattened dry rice, choila, which is glazed meat, and bara, a lentil pancake. And let's not forget momo and the Insta routine. I attack the bara, it's good, but my main target is the chotamari. So that's the mincemeat inside, so that's chotamari. So that's a rice flour, and inside you get the mincemeat. So this is chicken. And let me just try it. Oh my god, I haven't eaten this since ages. So oh my god, so good, so good. That's the tea. I'm just gonna try without the sauce. Juicy. Best. I had a thali, but what really surprised me was the achar that came with the thali. I can't remember any place in Europe where they have Dalle khursani, a chili sauce that will have your mouth on fire. We had saag, which is called spinach, mixed vegetable, which is called tarkari, chicken curry and some lentils. At the end, we had dessert, our traditional halwa. This restaurant is buzzing on weekdays and is a great showcase for Nepali and Newari food. Toast to that. Kathmandu, Newari food in Paris. Magnifique.